Hello students, today I will be discussing program number 3 to simulate the working of SJF CPU scheduling algorithm. Today I will not discuss the logic of the program, but I'll just execute the program and I'll show you the output of the program. Now since I'm using the online compiler, click on this button, run button, and this is the output. So it is asking us to enter the number of processes. I want to keep some similarity between all the CPU scheduling programs that we are executing in our lab. So number of processes 3, that's constant. Then it is asking us to enter the burst time of each and every process. So let's keep that same so it's easy for you to remember. So the burst time of first process is 5, burst time of second process is 1, and the burst time of third process I'm entering as 7. So if you see which is the process with shortest burst time, that is process P2, correct? Then next is process P1 and then is P3. So when I press enter, what is the order of the process? So if you see the output, in our output you will see that our processes have been sorted as per their burst time because waiting time is 2.33 milliseconds and average turnaround time is 6.67 milliseconds. In my next video, I will explain the logic of this SJF CPU scheduling algorithm.